TV resolutions have progressed quickly, with manufacturers fitting more pixels into their screens to make for sharper, more detailed images. From the introduction of Blu-ray in 2003 till today, a lot has changed. Today's top spec 8K TVs are capable of a staggering 16 times the amount of pixels as Full HD, and we had a chance to take a look at some of the big technologies on show at IFA 2016. Your average 8K TV has a pixel count of around or about 8000 pixels on the horizontal side and 4000 pixels on the vertical side. This vast amount of pixels naturally makes the TV crisper and much more detailed than anything else you've seen before. A lot of manufacturers have showcased 8K TVs including top brands such as LG, Samsung, Philips, Sharp, Toshiba, Hisense, TCL and more. And in order to fit in all those pixels, the TVs are expectedly much larger than the TVs we're used to seeing. They're also a lot more expensive, with Sharp selling its TVs for an equivalent price of close to Rs 90 lakh. And let's not forget, apart from a few demo clips made by manufacturers, there's no other worthwhile content that can make use of all those pixels properly, so an 8K resolution means practically nothing today. Of course, that doesn't mean that the once revolutionary 4K is irrelevant at all. If anything, 4K has a bright future ahead. With practically every manufacturer from the big giants to Indian manufacturers like Videocon and Micromax making 4K TVs, it's now become affordable and easy to buy a big screen Ultra HD TV. And now there are ways to put all of those pixels to use as well. Various streaming services offer content at up to 4K resolution, with some such as Netflix also providing HDR content for better colors and brightness. Additionally, some manufacturers have even unveiled their 4K Blu-ray players and a range of movies available on 4K Blu-ray. That wasn't the end of the innovation we saw on show at IFA 2016. Hisense showcased its 4K Lasercast TV, which uses a powerful close-range projector to directly beam the picture onto the TV screen. Philips had its fantastic Ambilight technology on show on its 4K and 8K range of TVs. And LG, apart from showcasing its slim line of OLED TVs, also used 216 55-inch curved OLED TVs to create a 15-meter long walkway that was, simply put, stunning. So perhaps it's finally time to be positive about high-resolution TVs. And if what we saw at IFA 2016 is a peek at the future, then we've got a lot to look forward to. That was our look at the best of TV technology from IFA 2016. Hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at Gadgets360.